Monkeys are everywhere. But don't let the cute faces fool you. Some steal from tourists. Some can crack nuts using tools. And one monkey is so loud, you can hear it from nearly 5 kilometers away. Let's start with the first one, Mandrill. This isn't just the world's largest monkey. It's one of the most intimidating. An adult male can weigh over 50 kilograms. Its bright blue and red face isn't for camouflage. The brighter the colors, the stronger and healthier the male. Those giant canine teeth, they can grow over 6 centimeters long enough to scare away most rivals without a fight. If you saw one smiling, it probably wouldn't feel very friendly. Would you walk past this monkey alone? Proboscis monkey. At first glance, it looks almost funny until you realize that enormous nose actually helps attract mates. The bigger the nose, the louder its calls become, and louder males often attract more females. Eunstranger. This monkey is an excellent swimmer. It has partially webbed feet and regularly jumps into rivers to escape crocodiles. Not many monkeys willingly swim toward danger. Golden snub-nosed monkey. High in the freezing mountains of China lives a monkey that survives temperatures below -20 degrees Celsius. Instead of tropical forests, it spends winters surrounded by snow. Its thick golden fur works like a winter jacket, and families huddle together, sharing body heat to survive nights that would freeze most primates. A monkey built for snow instead of jungles. Howler Monkey. You usually hear this monkey long before you ever see it. Its roar is one of the loudest sounds made by any land animal. On a quiet morning, the call can travel nearly 5 kilometers. That's farther than many people can even see. And here's the strange part. They're not roaring because they're angry. They're simply telling other groups, this forest is already ours, saving energy. Without fighting, smart, and incredibly loud. Capuchin Monkey. This tiny monkey has something many animals never develop. Tools. Capuchins use rocks to crack open hard nuts. Some even rub crushed insects onto their fur. As natural insect repellent, scientists have watched them solve problems, learn from each other, and even teach younger monkeys. For such a small animal, its brain is doing some very big work. If monkeys can use tools, what do you think they're capable of next? Spider monkey. If you cut off its tail, it would lose one of its greatest weapons. The spider monkey has a tail so strong, it can support its entire body weight. The underside of the tail has a hairless patch, almost like a fingerprint, giving it extra grip on branches. Instead of climbing with 4 limbs, it often swings using 5 hands, feet, and its tail. One wrong move, and it simply catches itself before falling. Nature turned its tail into an extra hand. Would you trust your entire body to just your tail? Japanese Macaque. Most monkeys avoid freezing weather. These don't. Japanese macaques live farther north than any other monkey on Earth. During winter, they climb into natural hot springs, surrounded by snow. It's one of the few animals that actually enjoys a warm bath. But here's something even stranger. High-ranking monkeys get the best spots in the water. The lower-ranking ones have to wait outside, shivering in the cold. Even hot springs have social rules. Baboon. Forget everything you think you know about monkeys. Baboons don't spend most of their lives in trees. They dominate the ground. Large males have canine teeth almost as long as a leopard's. When threatened, an entire troop can fight back together. Even lions sometimes think twice before attacking a large baboon group. They may look playful, but when danger appears, they become an organized army. This is one monkey that almost every predator respects. Vervet monkey. Imagine having different words for different enemies. The vervet monkey does exactly that. Scientists discovered they make different alarm calls for eagles, snakes, and leopards. Even more incredible, each call triggers a different escape. Hear the eagle call, they run under trees. Hear the snake call, they stand up and scan the ground. Hear the leopard call, they race into the trees. It's not random noise. It's one of the closest things to language ever found in wild animals. How many animals do you know that can warn others this precisely? Squirrel monkey. This tiny monkey weighs less than a house cat. But don't underestimate it. A squirrel monkey can leap more than 2 meters between branches without missing. Its brain is enormous for its body size, one of the highest brain-to-body ratios of any monkey. They live in groups of over 100 individuals. Imagine trying to recognize every single face in a crowd that large. Small body, huge brain, lightning-fast reflexes. Sometimes, the smallest animals are the hardest to catch. 10 monkeys. One can hang from its tail. One speaks with different alarm calls. One relaxes in hot springs. And one is louder than almost any other land animal. The next time someone says, "All monkeys are the same," you'll know they couldn't be more different. Now here's the real question. Which monkey surprised you the most? And which one would you never want to meet in the wild? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering incredible animals, there are plenty more waiting in the next video.